Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is our channel Mohsin Hassan Tech, and today I will learn you about the power plug and light plug.
Fancy and diswishing viewers, I welcome you in my channel, and today our topic is power plug and light plug. This is our main topic. This power plug and light plug where used. I tell you, this power plug is actually heavy. Heavy mean this power plug used for the AC is 1.5% ton and 2 tons and 1 ton. You can use this power plug. This heavy capacity. This power plug can bear the load of the machine and also the AC, heavy machine and also AC. Also you can use this power plug for the water motors, coolers and heavy grinder and other things. You can use same heavy level 1 horsepower, 1.5 horsepower level. You can use this power plug. Viewers, our main aim is a connection. I teach you how can I use the connection. This connection, these two cable I put here. One is a power negative, one negative and one positive. Okay, this I use. Dear viewers, this power plug have a 3 points. One negative and one is a positive, and one for protection is called the earth point. Okay, this point is a negative, this point is a positive, and third is a earth point. But this earth point sometimes used, but mostly used negative and positive. But this cable only for learning. But we use cable here, 7 use wire here cable 7 over 36 ampere to 40 ampere. Now I teach you, I use the simple, but actual copper wire used here. This wire is used for the only for heavy machinery. Okay, viewers. Now the second plug used in electric sector. This multiple power plug. Here use light plug. This used for the you see here also 3 pins and 2 pins. Light plug name is 9 and 1. This multi plug, multi light plug. But this plug used for the refrigerator, iron, extension, coolers and other purpose. You can use this power plug. And here this ampere is capacity is a 60 to 220. Is a beer capacity 16 ampere to 20 ampere load capacity have. Now also connection I tell you, backside have a connection. Okay, this negative wire and this positive wire only, but this same wire sometimes no use because it is for only your purpose. Is save your life, save your children and anybody touch the cable any place in no any accident, you save from this current. Okay sir. Topic is a winding up my viewers. This is next time I tell you another electric power plug. I tell you and teach you. I hope you take advantage from this main topic, and I hope you learn and save your
Okay
money.
viewers,
Okay,
thanks to Allah Hafiz, and like, subscribe and share it please.